more than one. So yeah, that is how it is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm.
Hello. Good evening.
Yes, hello, good evening too.
Uh,
I
am I
can
audible?
you Yeah, hello, hi, good evening too.
Yes. How are you?
Yes, I'm fine. What
You're
about you?
fine.
How are you?
I'm also good. I mean, I think last time you tried doing a class, but there was some internet issues. I was not able to hear you properly, and it was just getting stuck. The video was getting stuck. You tried to leave the meet and join again. Something was happening.
Hmm.
Even I tried, but
Yes,
yeah, it
yes.
was. I don't know what happened. Yeah, but
Yes,
that
yes,
was.
absolutely. Yes. Yeah, you
Yeah,
were
that.
right. And yeah, you were right. Like I was trying to connect with you again and again, but I don't know at that time what happened from your
Yeah,
side or from my side at that time. I didn't
yeah,
know. Yes, yes. We were not able to connect it. Yeah.
yeah. So, how have you been these days? What are you doing?
Yeah, I've been doing well these days, and yeah, like I'm just learning English language, and yeah, today in morning time I went to outside and I played cricket.
Okay, yeah,
Yeah, and yeah, today's week off also. Tomorrow
yeah,
also my off. So
yeah.
yeah,
Right, right. Long weekend.
yes, long weekend, absolutely.
Yeah,
What about you? Like, how are you doing?
I'm doing good. So I came back to Delhi for my post graduation, and
Okay,
so yeah, I'm just now college is started. So I'm going to college, and then I'm in my PG right now. I'm living alone again. So yeah, that's how it is going. It is.
okay.
I do miss home because I was there at home for 3 months continuously, and then suddenly I'm here again, back to the
Yeah,
original life.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. You were saying that like you were resting there, and now
Yeah.
your rest time has finished, and
Yes.
now you move on your study. Yes,
Yeah. My rest time is over. But yeah.
yes.
But I do miss home. But when I was at home, I was like, okay, I wish I could go back to Delhi. This happens all the time. Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah, this is a human nature, absolutely.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. So when are you coming
So,
back? Have you decided
mhm.
when will you come?
No, I will come. Yeah, maybe after Eid, I will come in India again.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Right.
Yeah, after 6 or 8 months after, yes, I will come back India.
Oh, okay.
So, like, as you tell me, like, this happened, if when you would, like, your place and you
Yeah.
thought, like, yeah, I would have to go to the, like, PG and,
Hmm.
like, did PG. But same time, happened with everyone, yesterday what happened with me, and I wanted to go to the market, okay, and
Yeah.
I had ready it, okay,
Yeah.
and then after and the end of the time the end time
Yeah.
I decided now I would not go,
Yes. Yeah.
okay, and then
Hmm.
after sudden when the bus has gone, okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
then I thought I should have gone there.
Right. Right. Right.
And but why did I decided? Because I thought I did not buy to anything. Okay, so
Yeah.
that's why I decided I didn't want to buy anything. So that's why
Right.
if I would go there, so like it's just time pass. Okay, so if I stay at room, so I would be like talking with my family member, something here and there. Okay, but then suddenly my thought changed and like I thought like no, if I would go there, so like bus go in a week. Okay, so
Yeah.
like I would be see the new place or their place has changed.
Yeah.
So, but this happened,
Yeah.
why
This
like
keeps happening. Yes. We can discuss that. Before that, I'll just correct certain places. Okay. So
please, please.
in the beginning, you said I went to outside. You can skip to. You can just say I went outside to play. And you
Okay,
said I will come India. That is where you say to. I will come to India.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah, India's place. Yeah, because
Yes.
India's place. So
Yes.
in place, we have to use to. Yeah, I
Yeah.
forgot it.
So
Yes.
just some of these prepositions that you need to fix, and also
Yes.
in the instead of saying in the end time, you can just say in the last moment. I
In the last
thought,
moment. Yeah.
yeah, last
Mm.
moment I decided not to go, and then I regretted
Mm.
that I should have gone.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Mm.
try to
Yes.
frame it properly, like with less words. Try to express yourself better. Okay.
Mm.
Yeah, that is
That's
something.
why I narrated. That's
Yeah.
why I narrated because I had to narrate.
Yes.
The situation. So
Yeah.
then I would be better. So yeah,
Yes.
tutor
Yes.
would rectify, and yeah, you have to narrate this way, so it would be good.
Right.
So yeah,
Yeah. And
yeah,
then you said that you wanted to see whether the place has changed or not. So that is something you can say whether the place has changed or not.
yeah. Okay, whether we
Yeah.
have to use here.
The spelling is WHET, not WEA. EA will be climate with
Yeah,
climate. Yeah.
climate. Yeah, yeah. We are not talking about climate. Okay, weather means like yeah,
Yeah. Whether or not, like that.
whether or not. Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So then you didn't go. Okay.
Yeah, then I didn't go. Then I feel no, I have to start. I means I will stay. Uh,
Yeah.
Let me complete. Let me correct my sentence again.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
think okay. So then I thought, okay, no
Okay.
problem. I would not. I didn't go there, but I
Hmm.
would stay. My first commitment. Okay, I
Yeah.
talked with my parents. I talked with my family member. And let's then okay, yeah. Then I like
Yeah.
my past thought, and just I just finished that my past thought, and yes,
Yeah. Yeah. Got
and I
it. Got
stay
it.
my present thought. Yes.
Yeah. Basically, you finished your pending work. Is
Hmm.
that what you're saying?
No, no, I was saying that I was narrated that incident of the tomorrow
Yesterday. Yeah.
yesterday. So
Yeah.
yes, I was saying that uh, if I stayed at home, it
Yeah.
stayed room, so like I can talk with my family member, and
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
I didn't have any pending of work at that time,
Okay.
so like
Right.
so I can use Wi-Fi also here.
Yeah.
So yeah, so then I
Right.
stay about this thought. Then after,
Got it. Got it. Okay.
yes.
Right. So your parents are back in India, right?
Yeah, already they are living in India. Yes. Like,
Everybody is back home. All right.
yes.
Okay. Okay. Yesterday was Eid or something, right? What was it exactly? Yes.
Yeah, absolutely. It was a Eid Miladul Nabi,
Yeah.
and we celebrated is a like we come we just what we call in Julus in English.
Jews. No what?
Julus.
I don't know. Wait. Let me. I didn't understand. Let me Google.
I meant to say Julus. In Hindi we call Julus, like if any uh Julus, you don't know Hindi?
No.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Like
Okay. You
when
mean procession?
association. So yeah.
Yeah.
So like in Eid Miladul Nabi, what we do, in India, what happened, all the
People.
people they come in the empty place. You can say
Yeah.
in
Field or
okay,
something.
and after yeah they meet together, and then
Yeah.
they pray, and
Yeah.
they uh, because of why we make Eid Milad Nabi, because of the Muhammad Prophet, he born in this date.
He
Okay, so
was
that's the
born.
reason. Yeah, so he born in these days, so that's why. So like
He
all
was born on this day.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, he was born in this day. Okay, uh, so that's the reason.
Okay.
So we like celebrated and
Yeah.
this Eid, and we all like we do like we chant Durood, in
Okay.
Muslim community ke there's Durood. So we stay together and we just chatting, we just chant
Okay.
that Durood. So
Yeah.
yeah, that we do, and sometimes we walk and we just chant the Durood. Just
Okay.
that we do
Right.
like
Okay.
this.
So did you celebrate it yesterday? Like how did you do it back there?
No, like here, in Oman, if I talk about the Gulf countries, so here, like we just off, and
Just a
here
holiday.
nobody, yeah, just holiday and just nothing we do anything, and we just like we wear just new clothes. Yeah.
Okay. Right, right. So did you cook something special yesterday or anything did you do? Something extra or was it just a normal day?
No, yesterday I just wear a new cloth,
Okay.
and yeah, that was new for me only.
Hmm.
Yes.
Okay. Yesterday I wore, not wear. Wear is present tense, you say wore. Yesterday I wore a new clothes, past
War.
tense. Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yesterday I wore new cloth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So talking about new clothes, Durga Puja is coming and that is our festival.
Mhm.
So yeah,
Okay.
it's next month. So yeah, I'm going home. So I'm just excited about that. Yeah.
Okay, okay, that's good news. Yeah.
Yeah, that's good news. So yeah, I mean, even we wear new clothes in Durga Puja. So yeah,
Mhm.
not one though. We have a lot of ceremonies. Like it continues for a lot of days. So we try to buy. Like I mean, it depends on people actually. Like if somebody can afford more, they'll buy more. If somebody can, like my parents would tell me that when they were young, they couldn't buy that many clothes, right? Because I mean, it was not very easy. So they would buy one cloth and they would uh, iron it. They would wear it one day, then they would wash it, and then after it dries, they would iron it and wear it the next day again. So yeah, but for us, it's like we are like blessed to be like in a better position than they were. So yeah, we can afford to buy more clothes than just one for Durga Puja. So yeah, that's what I feel like. When my parents tell me about their situation, I feel grateful. I can at least get more than one. So yeah, that is how it is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm. All right. So, like, recently, I think one festival it passed. I think Ganesh Chaturthi.
Yes, Ganesh
Was it
Chaturthi was it.
yesterday?
Yeah, no, it wasn't yesterday. Actually, I think yesterday was the last day or something. It is celebrated hugely in Maharashtra, so
Okay.
they would know better. But I feel it started long back. I think 10 days. So yeah,
Mhm.
yesterday
All
was
right.
the what they say Visarjan. Like yeah,
Okay. They established,
they,
I think.
yeah, the idol
Okay.
is there, right? So they immerse it in water body.
Yes.
Same like Durga Puja also. After on the Shera, we put the all the idols in like the water body. It flows for it to flow. Yeah. So
Okay.
that is the thing. Yeah, I think it was yesterday because I saw it on someone's story. So maybe it was yesterday. Yeah, yeah,
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Right. So what do you do these days? Like in your free time, apart from cricket,
In
any
my
hobby?
Yeah, in my free time, like I learn book these days, and I'm learning
Okay.
book these days.
Okay.
Yes, and apart from book, like I just practicing my English only, and yeah, recently I'm watching movie also. I
Okay.
mean to say I'm also watching a movie. Like
Yeah.
recently, I watch. I think The Wish. I had watched it. Okay, and
Okay.
one movie and the Stranger Thing.
Yeah.
Four.
Okay.
Recently I watched. Okay,
Okay.
and one of Twitter, he was saying about one movie Aspiration.
Okay. Aspiration.
So yeah,
Okay.
it is there on YouTube. So I watched that uh, web series also. Yes.
Okay.
So
What is
when
it
I
about?
finished, so I watched. Yeah, I talking about Aspiration.
Yeah.
It is all about UPSC exam. So like who.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right, right. Hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, so like there's a one guy like who wanted to crack the UPSC, but he's like because it is not easy. So that is
Yeah,
all
it's
about
not.
the story about who uh
Struggle.
like who struggle and who
Yeah.
like who are doing this thing. Yeah.
Right, right. Okay, understood. Yeah. So, I mean, you are really consistent, right? You've been practicing English since such a long time and you've
No,
improved so much. I mean, it's really nice that.
yeah, it's nice, but you know what happened with me? I'm not able to consistent. Like someday, like
Mhm.
because of my this is my week off. they are my off day. So
Yeah.
now that's why I'm able to have take session, you know. But
Mhm.
you know, sometimes I now these days I'm sharing the room, you know. So like
Yeah.
sometimes room partner also there, so it is a difficult to have session.
Yeah.
So that's the problem I'm facing a little bit. Yeah, but
I
somehow
get
I'm
it.
managing it. Yes.
Yeah, even I don't have a room partner as of now, but the person can come anytime. So yeah, I'll have to figure out what to do. It's very difficult. Yeah,
He has
I can
he
relate
just
to
he's
that.
yeah, someone sudden, you know, the open the door, just speak loudly, and that
Yeah,
voice come in our
yeah,
conversation, and that is
yeah,
just
yeah.
blow.
Right, right. I mean, it's okay. It's okay. I mean, you'll manage it. So yeah, I mean, for
Yeah, yeah.
feedback, I would just say prepositions, practice a bit. Yeah,
Hmm.
vocabulary you can enhance since you're already watching and reading. So yeah, try to maintain a notebook where you write things down systematically.
Yes.
And yeah, I mean, just continue working hard. You've already improved a lot, so yeah, you will do better in the future.
Yeah. Yes. All right. Thank you so much for giving me lovely
Thank you,
feedback, and
Shahid.
it is a
Okay.
lovely conversation with you. Always
Thank
like
you.
it is a lovely conversation with you. Yeah.
Yes, same to you. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Then we will meet next session. Bye bye. Have a
Yes.
good day.
Bye. Have a good day. Yeah.